Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today is the 6th week of quarantine and we're all stuck at home. I'll be taking you to Lisbon, Portugal, where the most famous pastries are made. They are called pastéis de nata. Let's get started with my ingredients.
The ingredients are 2 cups of milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 packet of vanilla powder, 4 egg yolks and a whole egg, 4 tablespoons of flour, and 1 store-bought puff pastry dough. Let's start with the egg custard. Combine the milk and sugar in a saucepan and mix it well. Add the cinnamon sticks and the vanilla powder to the milk and simmer in the mixture over medium heat. Make sure to mix periodically to avoid sticking to the pan. Whisk the eggs and the flour in a mixer bowl until well blended. Remove the hot milk mixture from the stove and discard the cinnamon sticks. Add a little bit of the hot milk at a time into the floured egg mixture so that you don't scramble the eggs. Mix well until well combined. Move the prepared mixture from the mixer bowl into the saucepan and back on the stove. Simmer the egg mixture over medium heat and whisk it constantly until the mixture thickens. To check the readiness of the custard, you can dip a small spoon into the custard. If it covers the back of your spoon, it's ready. Cool your custard on the counter for 5 minutes, then put it in the refrigerator while you start on your dough. Roll out your dough thin on a floured countertop. The thinner you roll your dough, the flakier and crispier it will get. Cut out the edges and make a straight line. When you have a rectangle ready, put the long side towards you and start rolling your dough into a long cylinder, tucking in every time you go along. Cut the roll in half and wrap each half in a cling wrap. Close it tightly. Move to the freezer for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Butter your cupcake tin with melted butter and leave it on the side. Take the dough out of the freezer and remove the plastic wrap. The rolls should be somewhat sturdy. Cut the roll into 1/2 inch to a bit wider discs. I got 25 discs in total. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Start making the custard cups by pushing with your thumb down and spinning by stretching the dough in the size of the tin cups. Now let's bring our chilled custard out from the refrigerator and start spooning the custard into the dough. put in the oven and make sure your timer says 15 minutes. I also put for an additional 3 minutes on broil after the cups were fully baked, as my stove is electrical. Let the cups chill in the pan on the counter for a few minutes before you transfer them to a nice serving plate. Sprinkle with confectionered sugar and enjoy this delicious goodness with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.